Hi everybody and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Okay, we got a pretty good day up here in Vancouver, Canada. The sun is out, it's not too cold, so it's time to do some work on my Crown Vic P71 Police Interceptor 2011. Okay, I've been working on this car to make it look better. It's already running pretty good. Not too much mechanical to worry about. It's mostly just cosmetic. I've done a few things already. I'm going to make a video on that to show what you can do simply to make the car look better for either yourself or for resale. But today, I'm going to do a video on how to replace the side marker lights right there. I've already replaced the headlights. I've already replaced this headlight. This headlight was good. This headlight was foggy, as they almost always are. And I have another video, which I'll put a link below, where I show how you can replace the headlight and how you can do it super cheap. These are not expensive. And it makes such a difference on the front end of this car. Makes it look newer, makes it look better, and of course the visibility going down the road at night also way better if you get some new headlights. So that's easy, but this is the first time I've replaced side marker lights because these ones are really bad. And the new headlights, or the good headlights, make these look even worse. They're cracked, they're foggy, they got water in them, no good. This side is exactly the same. Cracked right here, and they just don't look any good. They don't match the beautiful new headlight right here. So I'm going to take these off and replace them and let you know how to do it. Okay, so the first thing I noticed right here is that there is a small Phillips head screw. I'm going to take that out right now. Okay, that's out. It's not coming out. Yeah, come out, come out. Now, do you have to take the whole headlight out to get access to it? I don't know, but let's take this plastic top panel off. Now, these are held on with a number of push clips. Usually there's one there, and one there. This particular one just has one. All you gotta do is unscrew them a little bit. That loosens everything off, and then the whole thing will come out rather easily, I must say. Just like that. Nothing could be easier. Okay, so now we can get access, and I noticed right away that there's a bolt right there. Can you see that? Okay, do you see what I see? There's a bolt right there. It looks like a 10 mil. Now, if I undo that, will the side markers come out? I don't know. Okay, as you can see, I removed the bulb, which is fairly easy to do. There's a little collar here. You turn counterclockwise and it will come out. Just make sure it's right there. Don't know if you can see. Just make sure you don't touch the bulb with your fingers, because the oil on your fingers will shorten the life of the bulb. So this allowed me a little easier access. Now I'm turning this by hand, loosening this bolt off. And it wasn't on too hard, so it was not too difficult to undo it. And now it's coming. Whoa, okay, what happened? And well, there you go, look at that. It just came right out. So essentially you've got your one Phillips screw right here, and you've got your one 10 mil nut there. Holds the whole thing on. You don't have to take the headlights off. There you go. And I can see all the tape that's left over from when this car was an RCMP police cruiser. Maybe I can clean this up a bit, make that look a little bit better. Yeah. So now all I have to do is disconnect the wiring harness. Let's see, how do I do that? The bulb will come out just like so. There you go. Counterclockwise, out she comes. And then with one little clip right here, should come off with the help of a screwdriver. Okay, so that went somewhere. That went at least 50 yards. I don't know where that went. So yeah, be careful with your little spring metal clips there. Okay, that just came right off. And you can see how horrible these are. They put tape over this. This is where you usually have the emergency lights coming through. They drill a hole, put the emergency light in there, And when they decommission them, often they do not put any tape here at all, which then you get water inside. The guy who decommissioned this car did put the tape, and so I appreciate that. That kept them a little bit better, but still, they're junk. All right, this is the best part. New parts. Let's open it up. Now, depending on what's in these boxes and their condition, this could be the most important part of the video, of course. I got these really cheap, but I don't know the quality yet, so let's find out together. Okay. The unboxing. So far, so good. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. And we'll take off the bubble wrap. I'll pop that later. And what do we got? Let's unveil. Unveil. Here we go. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. That looks awesome. But the most important thing, look at it. It's got the rubber seal at the top. I was sure I was going to have to take that off the old ones and put it on the new one. It's got the rubber seal. Perfect. Okay, let's take a closer look comparing the original with the new. First of all, the new looks really nice. Nice and clear. It looks like a very close copy of the original. The patterns, everything else looks very similar. There is a slight difference. The original has sort of a reddish look around the edges, but I think that's the glue that is just simply aged over time. And on the new one, it is clear. The original one came with a glued on rubber filler piece here, and it's still on there. The new one also comes with it, which is great. You don't have to reuse your old one, though I do notice that on this side, the driver's side, the glue has come a little bit loose right on the edge here. But other than that, it's really, really nice. What a difference. What does the age do, eh? Wow, look how dull that is. Look how shiny. If you like shiny things, you're gonna love this. This is nice. All right, let's put them on. This is gonna be great. Okay. Okay, let's install the new side marker light. First thing you want to do is install the light bulb. I noticed that you have a cutout here with tabs. The two tabs here and here are larger, and so you just match it up with the larger tabs on your bulb, and you put it in straight in and twist to the right. There you go. It's lined up. Now the only thing I noticed compared to the old one is that this bolt right here is a little bit longer than the stock one. I don't know what difference that's going to make, but let's find out. Then the wire goes into a slot right here, and then you take your metal tab, which I did find on the driveway, and you put your wire right in like that. So the wire is all secure. It's ready to go back on. Now what we're going to do is line up the bolts inside. Okay, I've discovered a small problem. From above, you can just see that it's touching the plastic socket base is touching the metal of the car as I'm trying to get the bolt through. Oh, okay, it came through. So it's just got a slight touch there, a little bit of interference, which is a little bit annoying, but that's the only problem so far, aside from the rubber having to be re-glued at the very end there. But that's the only problem so far. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, that's awesome. Now you don't want to tighten these Phillips screws too tight. It'll just crack the plastic. Just snug it. Okay, so now we just got to get this nut on the bolt right there. Snug that up, and this job on this side will be almost over. Okay, there she is, installed, at least on the driver's side. I still have to do the passenger side, but wow, that's almost too shiny. That looks awesome. Fantastic. Fantastic. Actually, I guess I should have tried the lights before I bolted it all together. Let's hope it works. Yep, the bulb works just fine. That looks great. All right, it's all installed and it looks awesome. Look how beautiful that is. New side marker light, new headlight, all done on the cheap. Okay, so the lights and everything work just fine. All right, there you go. The job is done. For the price, this is a fantastic deal. I paid around $27 for those side marker lights, I think. Anyway, I'll put a link below where you can get these super cheap. So for the price, it's definitely worth it. Easy job. So the best thing about this video, the job wasn't that hard, is that you can do this on the cheap. There's no reason why you can't make the front end of your Crown Victoria look awesome. The way to do it, brand new headlights, brand new side marker lights. All right, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time. New, old, new, old, new, old.